It's finally happening, y'all. I am getting plastic surgery. This girl a mess, y'all. Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you've been around here a while. I'm Kendra. This is 𝐒𝐿𝐴 Creates. This is my space where I share my life with you guys. I also talk about other stuff too, so if that stuff sounds good to you, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Also, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up while you are at it. So today I will be talking about my foray into the world of cosmetic plastic surgery. And so, like, apparently there's a difference between the two, or at least that's what they say online. I don't know, but to give a little backstory, I have been obese my entire life. And I would say that my true weight loss journey started in 2017. My highest weight was 387 pounds. And just for a little context, I'm 5'7" and 3/4, so basically 5'8". And over the years, I've lost and gained weight. I lost a lot of weight. I got down to about 220, and then I got pregnant, and then I went up to 250 while I was pregnant, and then I got up to 274 after I had my baby because of postpartum. So this most recent weight loss journey, after all of that, after having the baby, it was 274. And so I got back down to like 230, and then I started the GLP-1 drugs. First with Saxenda, lost about 30 pounds with that. Then Wegovy, lost about 25 pounds with that. And now I'm currently on Zepbound. I've lost about, I don't know, maybe like 10, 15-ish pounds with it so far. I have maybe 10, 15 pounds left to go. I could actually get surgery now because I'm like, let's just say I'm hovering between like my lowest recorded is 172, but I would say right now I'm really averaging about 175. So yeah, and I'm 5'7" and 3/4. So right now I'm still in the overweight BMI category, but my BMI is really low enough, you know, to go to pretty any much plastic surgery and get cosmetic surgery. So after losing over 200 pounds, I am left with lots and lots of loose skin. I have never done a loose skin reveal, and I'm not gonna do one in this video, but I probably will eventually, especially when I document my cosmetic surgery journey, which I will, because I think it's very, very important for people to have knowledge about cosmetic surgery, just like in general, and also specifically about after massive weight loss. And I feel like it's very important for people to get knowledge on it, because people are extremely ignorant when it comes down to the topic of cosmetic surgery, just like in general, and specifically even with massive weight loss. I feel like there are so many like myths and rumors and like just a bunch of like BS basically surrounding the topic. And I want to kind of lessen the stigma around it, because I feel like people are so judgmental when you talk about any kind of cosmetic surgery, and they automatically feel like you're doing it to like fit in, or you're doing it to like attract a mate, or you're doing it because of societal pressure. Yes, a lot of people do it for those reasons, but for me, it's like 100% all me. You cannot imagine how heavy I feel literally carrying around pounds of extra weight. And when I see myself and I see myself nude and I've lost all this weight, I can see like my bones, like my ribs, like in my chest and in my stomach. But then there's just a bunch of skin there, just chilling, just hanging out, just making my life harder than it has to be. Because like when I like run, like I can feel it just bouncing. Even when I like the clothes that I wear and how they fit and how I look, and loose skin is right now the bane of my existence. Could I carry it around until the end of my life? I'm pretty sure I could, yeah. But do I want to? No. Do I have to? No. Am I going to? No. And that is why I am getting plastic surgery. And I'm so excited about it. And I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So I have, over the last several months, been doing research on who I want to go with, where I want to get it done, what I want to get done, and all of that good stuff. So I decided to go with Mexico. And I know people are like, oh my God, you're going to die. They're going to botch you. You're signing up for a death sentence, whatever. But the truth is that people get botched here in the United States. People lose their lives here in the United States. And things happen right here in the United States. Just a while ago, there was a celebrity, a big social media person that was on Wild 'N Out, Jackie O, that was young DC Fly's baby mother, partner, whatever you want to call her. She passed away from plastic surgery complications, and she had her procedure right here in the United States. And it's something that I've thought about. It's very morbid, especially the fact that I just lost my dad in December. And honestly, I don't want to think about that outcome of things, but I have to. And I've made sure I put the safeguards in place as far as if that occurred. Most people are just fine when it comes to plastic surgery. They recover well. Their results, of course, vary depending upon the surgeon's skill, what they were working with before, and how they have their aftercare done. And I am wishing, hoping for the best, and preparing for the worst. The reason why I chose to get plastic surgery in Mexico, number one, is the cost. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I'm not a rich person. I do have more money than the average person. I'm just being honest about that. And I could get surgery here in the States. I really could. Would I be able to pay cash for it? No, I wouldn't be able to pay cash. I would have to pay mostly cash and then also finance a portion of it, which I'm okay with. I don't have anything against using my credit because it's good. I worked hard for it. But I don't want to do that because it's like, why would I pay for more for something when I can get the same thing for cheaper? Yeah, I'm a bargain hunter. So basically, I have to get a lot of things done to correct what's going on with the body, yaddy. I have to get a lot of stuff done, which means I have to get multiple surgeries. So it's going to be a lot of money. And I'd rather like pay the cost of getting my entire body done for what only I could get partially done here in the United States. So for my first round, I do need to get a tummy tuck. And because of the massive weight loss, that tummy tuck is gonna go all the way around my tummy. They also call that a lower body lift. I am going to, on this first round, also get my breasts done because I have very minimal breast tissue and it's really sad. And they are sagging, you know, because of age. And also I don't have any tissue there. Like, it's gone. That's what weight loss does. You just lose your fat and the tissue within the breasts are fat. And then I'm also going to get a BBL because, once again, I don't have fat there because I lost it. If anyone knows Kendra, they know that I was the girl with the big booty and I literally don't have any booty anymore. It's really sad. So I do want some volume there. And then because I'm getting a lower body lift back there, it's gonna lift the booty up and it needs to be filled in. And honestly, it hurts to sit on my butt because when I sit, I don't have any cushion there because I've lost my butt. So I have to get a lot of things done and I want to pay a cheaper price. And with these doctors, they are board certified. They're in Mexico. And I feel like a lot of people are just ignorant to the fact that people can go to other countries and have just as much skill, just as many good regulations, just as much safety procedures, just as much education and knowledge to do a good job. And someone, being me, I'm that someone, that married someone from a different country, I understand that things are very different in different countries, but that doesn't mean that they're any worse or that they're not comparable to what you have. Because if I went like north to Canada to go get things done, people probably wouldn't even bat an eye. But when I go down south to get things done in Mexico, people are like, oh, that's subpar. And it's just not necessarily the case. And also down south, they be snatching bodies. Let me tell you. Ooh. Ooh. So that's the first thing, cost. The second thing, the second reason why I do want to get plastic surgery in Mexico is because I can get more procedures done at a time. Most doctors will tell you that they cannot do a tummy tuck and a BBL at the same time here in the United States. I haven't saw one that do them together. I'm pretty sure someone does, but they don't want to. And it's hard finding someone that will. And I'm also throwing in a breast lift and breast augmentation along with the BBL and a tummy tuck and a lower body lift. Those are a lot of procedures. And a lot of doctors here do not want to do them together. I only want to like go under the knife so many times, and this will give me the opportunity to do it fewer times. And then the third reason why I want to get my surgery in Mexico is because of recovery. I do not have help here for recovery. And after surgery there, I can stay at a recovery home and I can stay there for my recovery. They have nurses that take care of you. They will change your dressings. They will help you with your shower. They will give you your medicine. Also in the recovery homes, they feed you. So you will have meals prepared for you and you just eat. And you don't have to worry about a lot of stuff in your own caretaking. And the plastic surgery videos that I've watched, they will tell you that first week you need someone with you. And I just do not have anybody here or wherever. I mean, I guess I could like go to Miami because they're known for like plastic surgery and they have recovery homes there. But if I'm going to go to, no, because Miami also like has a bad reputation like different countries do for plastic surgery. And to me, I will need help with recovery. So having that built in, I'm just so excited to do it, that I'm going to have the help with the recovery, and there are going to be professionals there that can help me with it, and they can spot things that I won't have any knowledge about, you know, whether or not like if my wounds are healing properly, how to, you know, dump my drains and what I'm looking for with my drains, and you know, how my incisions are healing, and, you know, changing my dressings and things like that, and just giving me appropriate care and appropriate help with my like first week after recovery. So I am really, really, really excited about the whole entire plastic surgery like journey. And this is the very beginning of my plastic surgery journey. I also want to talk about my consultations, okay? Like, so I've narrowed it down to 2 places that I want to go to for my consults. And I'm trying to figure out if I should talk about it now or if I should talk about it in a separate video. I feel like I should talk about it in a separate video because it's going to be lengthy, because I want to go into detail about the 2 places, the consults, the opinions, the prices, the packages, I'm going to do a separate video, okay? I teased it for y'all. But this is just the beginning. Like, I've been so excited to talk about this for so long because it was in the making and it was going to happen. You guys know how much I've talked about like me going through this and losing the weight, and me like having the loose skin and kind of how it's affected me, and me just wanting to get it off. I want to like see the work that I've done. And right now, I can't really see my weight loss because skin is in the way. If I get my first round done this summer, I can get my second round done next summer. And I mean, it'll be like a dream come true for me. It really will be. Oh my gosh, I'm getting plastic surgery. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my consultation video. I'm going to talk about those in depth. Please come back. I'm glad you're here. Sit down, take a seat. This is going to be a wild ride, y'all. Continue to spread kindness in the world. Hey, I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.